Now this is the smaller version of our public access bleed kit. Now this would be ideal for different applications. It may well you have a restaurant or somewhere you want one of these bleed kits out, but you don't want anything as sophisticated as our larger units. But also it's something smaller and easier to carry. This is also ideal for home use, or just to give a little bit more coverage in a workplace first aid kit or a home first aid kit, or if you're going on outdoor pursuits or cycling, this will give you enough to deal with a catastrophic bleed. Inside the kit, there's two sides to it. First side here, you've got some gloves, and then underneath is a trauma dressing. Now this is a trauma dressing. It's a little bit different from a standard first aid dressing. They do hold a lot of blood. So if you're putting these on, you'll find that it will absorb a lot of blood before it actually shows through the dressing. So be really cautious if you're putting these on, because there still would be a reasonable amount of blood coming through. But they're very effective and they're very good at getting stopping bleeding and also applying decent pressure. On the other side, we've put the CitizenAid info card. This is really useful. It's always worth, when you first get the kit, to have a look at this, because it tells you all sorts of things to do should you end up having to deal with a catastrophic bleed, but also lots of other things, from terrorist attacks, lone gunmen, things like that. So it's very worth having a look at that. You've got some shears if you needed to cut away clothing, and also in this side you have the Tawny Key. This is a CitizenAid product, very, very good product. Inside here is a key which you can use as a tourniquet for a catastrophic bleed on a limb. It has a triangular bandage inside it, so literally you can tie that up, pop the tourniquet on, and you can apply as much pressure as you need to stop a serious limb bleed. Now this type of thing would save somebody's life very, very easily. Now we do this kit, and we also do other versions of this kit. We include these kits with different types of hemostats. So if you want something a little bit more, then you can offer these as well. And we even do a pet version of these in case you wanted a more of a catastrophic bleed kit for animals. You can find out more information and order direct on our website, firstaidonline.co.uk. You can email us on supplies@protrainings.uk, and you can call us on 01206 809 538.